Hello traders, welcome to live trading session. Today is the 21st November and the time is 9:09 and this is a pre-market open. Nifty is opening 61 points gap down and Bank Nifty is opening 150 points gap down. Let's check the global markets, what's happening with the global markets. SGX Nifty is down by 81 points from Friday's closing and it's showing opening around 265 and we are opening 61 points gap down somewhere around 280, I think 280 to 90 in that range. Okay, let's check what's happened with the Dow Jones on Friday. It's just a flat market. It opened gap up and consolidated in this small range, and the Dow future opened somewhere here and it's slowly falling. It's a small move, but it's falling from the opening and it's down by 90 points. And let's check the SGX Nifty price action. This is the level. Our Nifty's low on Friday and it went higher, and now SGX Nifty is trading somewhere here. Let's see what happens. 9:16 a.m. Currently what I'm seeing is not even 1 minute closed as of now. It's complete red candle. It fell almost 50 points. This is a pure bearish momentum in 1 minute, and I'm seeing a 3 minutes time frame. Let's see what happens. And the VIX is rising. Previously it was up by 5-6% and now it's down. Let's see what happens. 9:20 a.m. I'm watching a 3 minutes time frame. I'm watching the move in a 3 minutes time frame, and I'm thinking that this is a halt candle for trend continuation. If the low breaks, then we can see further selling. I'm just expecting that, and I want to see a halt candle in a 5 minutes time frame also. I don't know what will happen, but I'm going to place orders below this low, and my SL will be above this high, which is 15 points SL, 35 and 50. I'm going to place it. Okay, sold it. I sold it at that point, and my SL will be here, 18 to 50. As soon as I placed this entry triggered at 18 to 35, and my entry is at 9:21.34, and I placed SL at 18 to 50. Let's see what happens with this trade. It's falling. I'm guessing this is going to be a trending day. I don't know, but I'll bring this to cost as soon as possible, because first hour momentum should be fast. If it's going to be fall down or it's going to be record. If another candle is also a red candle, I'll move the SL to cost. If it goes below 200, I'll move the SL to cost 18200. And the VIX is rising. That means people are scared of this fall. After 15 minutes candle formation, I'll move to 5 minutes time frame. I'm not expecting this to go up till here. It should not happen. That should not happen. And after this candle closing, this low should break. 9:26 a.m. I just trailed my SL to this entry price. That is the cost. And now it's I'm almost in a 20-25 points profit. That is not a big thing. I just trailed cost to 235. So it is a break-even trade for me. If it's going to work out, that's good. If it fails, I'll exit at the cost. I trailed my SL to cost at a 924, and what I don't want to see is I don't want to see it bouncing from this level. I just want a clean move. Early morning momentum should be fast and quick. So I'm expecting a quick momentum. It may halt for 3 minutes or 5 minutes sometime, but it should not pull back, big pullbacks, and it can go down smoothly. It will go down smoothly. That should happen. It should not go back higher. If it's going higher, I'm protected. I'm not going to lose anything on this trade. 9:32 a.m. Bank Nifty is trading at an important level. I don't know whether that level will be broken or whether that level will be sustained. Let's check that level. This is yesterday's level. Bank Nifty's future and spot both are trading at that level. If this level breaks, and we can see fall in Nifty as well, and it's forming a doji candle, this is a sign of reversal. I don't know what will happen, but if I'm seeing any reversal, I'll reverse the trade. I'm not emotionally connected with this trade. I'll just reverse the trade if it shows it's going to reverse. I'm watching Nifty on 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. 9:35 a.m. If this swing crosses, it's not a good idea to be in this trade, which is one of the important swings, and this is also an important swing. My SL is somewhere here, way above this swing. If this swing crosses, I don't know. I may exit this trade, but I will wait for a 15 minutes candle to form. If this is a reversal candle or continuation candle, I wanted to see that this 15 minutes candle. I'll be looking for this 15 minutes candle. 9:44 a.m. If I consider this 15 points SL as 1 hour, and it almost achieved 1:3 because it is almost 45 points 1:3, but I'm looking for a minimum of 100 points target, and if this is a real trending day, this should happen. Otherwise, I'll try to exit at this point. So I'll book at least a small profit to cover my brokerage for this trade. And the important swings will be made after pullback. After pullback, this will be considered as a swing. I can consider this as a swing, but after pullback, I can consider this as a real swing. Anywhere it forms, we can consider that as a real swing. And in 15 minutes time frame, Nifty made a red candle, and I want this low to break, not this high. Okay, let's see what happened with the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty broke this low on future and on spot. It's sustaining. And let's see what happens. I do not want this high to break. Next 15 minutes candle. If it happens, I'll exit at this point. Let's see what happens. 9:47 a.m. If you see in 15 minutes time frame, you may see nothing is happening. But if you go to 30 minutes time frame, here I can see a reversal candle in Nifty. If this candle is a reversal candle, and if the next 30 minutes candle or 15 minutes candle breaks a high of this candle, then I will reverse the trade. And what happened on Friday is also same thing. I have seen a reversal candle till closing. In the last 2 to 3 minutes, candle closed as a red candle, and it broke this level. It may happen, or entirely different thing may happen today. Today it may be a reversal candle, or it may continue the momentum. Anything can happen. I am ready for any situation. 9:57 a.m. After this 30 minutes candle closing, I'll move the SL to here above this candle high. If this candle high touches, I'll exit my position and I'll reverse the short position to long, and my SL will be below this candle or day's low. It's clearly a reversal candle, and it's at an important level. I'm expecting momentum till here, but I don't think this will continue or not. Based on this closing, I'll come to a conclusion. I'll just go ahead based on the market's momentum. If the high hits, I'll exit the position and I'll reverse it. 10:15 a.m. As expected, this high has been triggered and I am out of this short trade, and I just booked 30 or 29 points of profit, and my SL will be here for this long trade, and my target is somewhere here around a day's high, or if the people wants to move the market higher, it may go higher also. I'll trade based on the swings. This second trade may be a choppy trade. What I mean choppy trade is it can move higher and make swings like this. It may reach the target, but it's not going to be a sharp move. It is a choppy move. I am ready for that and I am prepared for that. Okay, after triggering this, it may fall down. There is a possibility. Anything is possible in stock market. Let's put the SLs around a day's low. Day's low is 180.6. I am placing just exactly at 180. That's fine. If that triggers, I don't want to be in this trade. Anyway, I just shorted it at 235 and exited it at 206. I left almost 26 points of profits. That's fine. It's not a problem. And for this trade, I'm using the profits of this trade. For this current long trade, I'm going to use the profit of this trade. So if this is going to hit the SL, I'll be at break even for today. 10:37 a.m. Nifty is halting here from a long time, and this is halting here from almost 1 hour 55 minutes. Any side break can lead to a bigger move, I'm guessing, and it may halt for 30 minutes or 1 more hour in this range, this lower range and higher range. And one more thing, there is a possibility it may trigger these SLs here, and after triggering the SLs, it may move higher, or it may go higher and trigger all these people's SLs who shorted here and may come down. Anything is possible. After seeing this red candle, I just moved my SL 1 point below the day's low, which is 18,179. If that hits, I'm out of the trade, and I'll wait for a pattern to form for a right entry. Otherwise, I won't trade today if there are no entries for me to trade. That's all. 10:41 a.m. This low has been triggered, and my SL is around 179. It got triggered at 10:41. I'm in this trade for about 25 minutes. Now there is a possibility that it may bounce higher. Bank Nifty is going higher, but Nifty is not able to recover, and it triggered the SLs of these people. I'm not going to enter any new trade if there is no new pattern for me to enter. I'll switch back to 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame. 11:06 a.m. If this swing crosses, you can take a long entry, but till 12:30, I am not planning to enter in any trade, because this may be a choppy move. This may hit SLs multiple times. it may trigger the entry, it may come back and hit the SL again. I'm not talking about hitting the low. It may hit the 15 minutes low or 13 minutes low or breakout candles low. Can do that multiple times, and it can chop me. If I'm going to enter in the time frame, I'll try to enter after 12 or 12:30 if there is any important pattern. Otherwise, I won't take any trade. 12:18 p.m. Nifty is not moving anywhere. It's in this range, a small range, and it triggered this low, and it triggered this high, and it came in this range. It may be possible. I don't know. I'm not seeing anything. It may be a lower high, and if this breaks, it can move higher. But I am not in any trade as of now. This is a loss trade I have taken. Here I'm just plus 2 points for my standard position sizing. This is not a big deal. I'm at a break even. That's the main thing, and I can take one more trade with my risk. If I am seeing any good trade, I'll trade. I'm expecting a move till day's high. If this breaks, or it may break this swing also. This swing, I don't know, but let's see what happens. It may move in the downside. Downside also, there is a possibility. After this much consolidation, whichever side it breaks with the volumes, it may move in that direction. I'll try to enter based on a 5 minutes breakout if the volumes are good. 12:35 p.m. It triggered the SLs of all the people. I got exited in this candle, but it again tried, and with the volumes, this made a reversal candle in 5 minutes time frame, and it's bouncing back. Let's see if this forms a reversal candle in 15 minutes time frame. I'll enter. If the high breaks, I'll enter in this candle, and I'll place low as I sell. I can take entry here as well, but it is not a good idea to enter in a 5 minutes time frame for me. I don't trade in a 5 minutes time frame in this range. First hour I'll trade in a smaller time frames, but now I don't trade in a smaller time frames. At this hour, I'll just watch in a 15 minutes time frame. If this turns out to be a reversal candle, I'll take the long entry. 12:44 p.m. This candle is going to close in 1 minute, and I'm guessing this is going to be a reversal candle, and the volumes are increasing. I wanted to see the volumes above this moving average, but it's not happening. Let's see what happens, and average SL will be 20 points. I'll go with 2 lots above 88 or 89, 188 or 189. I'll just be ready with the orders. 189, 2 lots. Let's see what happens. This may trigger the SL as well. I know I'm prepared for that. This may show as a reversal candle, and it may hit the SL. It may be possible. If this going to be go higher, it may go till day's high. This candle has been closed. I'm going to place the order at above this candle's high. Let's see what happens. I just placed this order. If this escalates, I won't be taking any new trades. That's it for today. And if I see any pattern around 2:30, that is a short covering rally, I may try that trade. This trade should work out. That's what I'm expecting. I'm just waiting for the entry to trigger. Okay, we'll update you when the entry triggers. 12:55 p.m. This entry got triggered. I'll place my SL here, and I want to ride the momentum. And the SL for this trade is 20 points, just 20 or 21, 22 points I think. Low is 167, and I entered at 189. I'm going to place SL, and it's moving. It's in a positive territory with 3 points. That's not a big deal. Let's place SL. I'm just trying with 2 lots. I have just placed my SL at 167, and my entry triggered at 12:55, almost at 12:55. Okay, that's fine. For this trade, I do not want to trigger the SL once again. I want this to go higher. I entered. Now I'll watch this 30 minutes. This 30 minutes I should trigger, and it should move higher. And the volumes are increasing, and 30 minutes time frame also. Want the volumes above this moving average. I want to see the volumes above this moving average. Let's see what happens. 1:21 p.m. This trade my SL got triggered at this point, and I'm out of this long trade, and it's trying to go down. Volumes are increasing. Don't know what may happen. Trade got triggered at 1:67, 1:19 p.m. few minutes back, and it's going lower. It seems like it's going lower. Let's see what happens. If I'm not able to see any other patterns, I won't take any trade. Today I traded 3 trades. One is a small profit, another one is a same kind of loss, another one is a loss. 3 trades. If I see any other pattern, I'll enter. Otherwise, that's it for today. I am down by 20 points on my normal position sizing. 1:27 p.m. After hitting the SLs again, this is a first time, second time, and third time. huge volumes and it's bouncing. On this high breakout, I'll enter again. This is a trade I should be entering. Earlier I entered at the wrong place, I think. Because of increased volume, I entered here, but this is not the place. This is the kind of volumes I wanted to enter. I'll enter this trade after breaking the high. High is 183 and the SL is at 160, 23 points. This is the final trade. That's all. This is a proper entry. I'm expecting this will work out. Let's prepare the orders. 183 or 184. Let's make it 184 because high is 182.9. Just it can touch it by few pennies. I wanted to be safe. I wanted to enter at 184. Let this candle close. Based on the volumes I'm seeing, may bounce and my SL will be at 160 if the entry triggers. I just placed exactly at 130.01. Let's see what happens. Will this be triggered or not? It's moving higher. My order got triggered and executed. Let's place the SL order at 160. Okay, I'll wait in the trade. If the SL hits, no more trades for today. 1:33 p.m. Actual proper place for my entry should be above 30 minutes high, not the 15 minutes, because it is an important swing. This swing should cross. If the swing is crossing, then my trade is valid. Otherwise, it is invalid. Because 15 minutes, I have seen an entry in 15 minutes. This is right, but still, this is an important swing here. These two 15 minutes candles high. This should cross. Then after that, this should cross. These are the two important things. If these two crosses, then I'm in the right trade. 2:01 p.m. Now you can see the momentum is picking, and this is a 30 minutes high. It is above the previous 30 minutes high. I am going to trial the SL to here 30 minutes low, and next important level that I am watching is this level. 15 minutes candle should close above that level. It's 18 to 10. Just 10 points move. I want Nifty to close above 18 to 10. Then it can go higher. I don't know whether the momentum will be sharp or not. I'm expecting a momentum. 2:11 p.m. After breaking this high, I just trailed my SL to this 30 minutes candle low, and it exactly triggered my SL, and it trying to go higher. I don't know what will happen, but I'm out of the trade. My SL triggered at 18,175, 2:10 p.m. That's all for today. I traded 4 times and booked a small profit on the first trade, and on the second trade small loss, and on third trade small loss. I booked 29 points, and on top of that brokerage. Closing the day for today. That's all. Strictly no more trades. Whatever the pattern it is, I'm not going to trade anymore. 3:26 p.m. I have taken 4 trades today, and after this trade I haven't taken any trade. Market moved higher and lower, and it is closing somewhere below 20 MA in 15 minutes time frame. That's fine, and this is a bearish sign. Market closing negative is a bearish sign. It started from here Thursday, Friday, it closed negative, and Monday it is also closing negative. 3 days of negative closing. It's a bearish sign. Let's see what happens tomorrow. These are the trades I have entered, and after 2:10 I haven't executed any orders. These are the 7 completed orders for today. We'll see you again tomorrow. Another trading session video. If you want to see these kind of videos, like the video and subscribe to channel.